Hey everyone, welcome to my tiny house. I've lived here with my fiance and our dog Tofu for a little more than a year now, and we absolutely love it. It's 276 square feet. Let me show you around. So this is our kitchen area. We have a pretty deep sink here, which is really nice for doing dishes. In addition, we actually built this fold-up table, which is very nice because it gives us so much more horizontal space to cook, to dry dishes, whatever we need to do in the kitchen. We use this a lot. And over here we have our stove top. We have a 3-burner stove. It's gas. I absolutely love using this thing. And then we have a tiny oven here, which works for us. So this is our little apartment-sized fridge. It actually came with the house. We bought our house from a company called Escape Traveler, and this is their one model. Over here is, we call it our pantry. It's just where we keep most of the food and produce that we eat. Yeah, and also shoes down here. So right here, behind the only door in our tiny house, is our bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom, but we have room for a decent sized shower, which definitely does the job. We have a plant, of course, and a tiny sink, which is really cute. It's very small. And we have a composting toilet in our house. So this is a separate toilet. I absolutely love it. It works really, really well. We have some cleaning stuff down here. And then up here we have our bathroom storage and more storage up there. So moving over here, this is our breakfast bar, kitchen table area. I absolutely love this table because we helped build it with some family friends of ours. So yeah, we built it ourselves. I probably spend the majority of my time sitting right here, hanging out, eating, working. I absolutely love it. It really highlights our huge window that we have right here, our picture window, and it's one of my favorite places in the house. Let's go into the living room and office area. Right here we have our couch, pretty standard. It's a fold-out couch, so we can have guests over and they can sleep here if they like. We put up some bookshelves to highlight some of our favorite books and also to house more of my plants, of course. Right here is our desk. My fiance, Ryan, likes to game, so he has his whole gaming setup here. It is possible to have a gaming computer in a tiny house. And yeah, this space is really functional. It also feels super cozy, and I love it. So just to talk about storage space real quick, we do have a closet where we hang most of our stuff up. We have these 3 drawers right here under the stairs, which are really nice to have. We have more shoes down here, some clothes, and then we have a junk drawer because every house needs a junk drawer, of course. And yeah, the only thing that we don't have storage for is Tofu's toys. You can see right here. he likes toys. And his only rule is that they have to fit in the basket, but they're starting to overflow a little bit. Now let's go to one of my favorite parts of the house, which is our bedroom loft. So this is our upstairs loft area. One of my favorite places in our house, hands down. It's super cozy up here, and I really love how we have windows on all three sides. So in the morning and at night when I'm laying in bed, it feels like I'm in the forest, which is really special. So right here we have more storage for clothes and books, whatever we want upstairs. We built these shelves out of just pieces of wood and these crates right here. So super simple and very cheap to do. And yeah, I have most of my clothes up here actually. Pants in here and shirts in these boxes. And of course we try to keep all our clothes pretty minimal. We do have additional storage in our loft over there, which is incredibly nice to have. It actually fits a twin bed up there, and I think it's about 4 feet tall. So we put more crate shelves in there, and that's where we have our seasonal clothes, more food. It's just a really awesome storage space to have. Here we have a lot of my plants, which is really nice because it makes our bedroom feel a lot more alive, and it creates kind of a canopy over the side of our railing, and gives us a little bit more privacy in our bedroom. And last but not least is our storage space area. We have to access it with a ladder like this. Pretty simple, and like I mentioned before, this is a pretty big space. I believe it's 4 feet tall, and you can actually have a twin bed up here if you wanted, like a guest room, something like that. But we use this space for storage. So we have some extra food up here, we have some seasonal clothing, we put our laundry up here, and it's just really nice to have this extra storage space in our house. So you may be wondering about heating, and also how we keep our house cool in the summer, because we do live in a seasonal climate. And we have a split AC pump, which we honestly don't use that much. You can see it right up there. In the winters, we mainly use our RV heating system, which is awesome. It blows out of this vent there. There's a second vent down there, and also a third vent over there. So it takes propane. We have mainly propane heat that we use in our house. And in terms of cooling it down in the summers and when it's hot, we have this awesome ceiling fan, which is on right now, that works very well. And we also have our AC for those very hot summer days. Thank you so much for joining me on my tour of my tiny house.